Hi, my blooming birds. Yesterday we have already studied, listened the story of Ningdo and Laima. Do you remember it? Just to start, we started a little only. Do you remember? Okay. Now I think all are very eagerly sitting here. Why? I think all are eagerly sitting here to listen the story. Anybody's grandmas or parents told you the remaining of the story? Did you ask your parents? Okay. Oh, she asked it. Did you ask? Yeah. And she also asked. Anybody read it? Yeah, very good. Everybody read the story. Then shall we continue it? Yeah, how eagerly they are sitting. Yesterday what we told? Anybody can tell? What did we say? Yeah, in Manipur there was a king, very strong king, powerful king, and a queen, and their 4 children. What were the names of the 4 children? Sanajoba, Sanayaima, Sanatomba, Sanatombi. Who was the youngest one? Sanatombi. Tomba, not that, Sanatomba brother. Sanatombi was the youngest one. Cute little baby. Now she grew up. So what happened? When the king became old, they decided to select the future king. Till that much we told. So what did they decide? They decided to conduct a contest, a competition. That much we told. Very good. I think everybody remembered it. Yeah, very nice children. You are eagerly waiting to hear my story. Yeah, okay. Now shall we start it? That much we told. Yeah, okay. There was a contest, a horse race. What was the contest? A horse race. And who will reach first near to the Kongnang? That is the name of a tree, Kongnang. They conducted a horse race. And who reached the Kongnang tree? Kongnang. The banyan tree is called the Kongnang. Who reached the Kongnang first? There will be the future king. He will be the Tunginingdo. So everybody eagerly waited. Why the king conducted such a contest? What was the usual custom? The usual custom was selecting the elder one as the ruler. But here the king decided to conduct a contest. For example, imagine you are in the place. In your house there are 4 children and everything will be given only the elder one. How can you suffer? Do you like it? No, she didn't like. He also didn't like. Why? She told that she also wanted something. She also wanted something. Otherwise, everything will given only to the elder brother or elder one. What the others will do? Yeah, that is why only. So king decided, I won't give everything only to my elder one. I wanted to shift it to everybody, wanted to divide everything to my all children because I love all my children very well. That is why. And there is a contest. Remember the contest. So Sanajoba, Sanayaima and Sanatomba, they were boys. They are very, very able and effective, energetic. They are very expert in horse race. My sons do something different. Each one of you, so that we can decide who will be the Ningto. Because as they were the prince and princess, the prince, the son of a king, princess, daughter of the king. So yes, they were the princess and prince. What happened? They know very well in horse riding and all horse race they will win. So the king told my son, you should do something differently. Otherwise, not only running and reaching near to the Kongnang, I won't select you as the leader. You should do something extraordinarily, something differently. Sanajoba mounted his horse, held his spear straight in front of him, looked at the huge Kongnang standing majestically at a distance, pierced the tree and jumped his horse through it. Here, four children. The elder one, what did he do? He mounted. Mound means climb. Mounted. Climb. He climbed on the horse, and what did he do? He pierced the tree, jumped his horse straight through it. Long spear was the, look at the picture, spear. Yeah, this is the spear. See this? This is the spear. He pierced the tree and reached there. And what happened for the second one? Then everybody thought that if somebody pierced that, made into big hole. Pierce means made big hole. Pierce, P-I-E-R-C-E, pierce, P-I-E-R-C-E, P-I-E-R-C-E, made a hole. Pierced the tree, big one only, that big one, and it pierced, one hole made, and through the hole he jumped. Then everybody thought he may be the king, who will be select the future king. And now it was the turn of the second son. Who was he? Sanayima. He rode towards the tree harder and harder. When he was close, he jumped over the huge tree. Huge means big. He jumped over that tree, and everybody exclaimed, and they thought he may be the king. What the first one did? First one pierced, made a hole and jumped there. And second one, he jumped over the tree. He jumped over there. And everybody thought, what may be the next child will do? Now it was the turn of the youngest son, Sanatomba. He too, he rode towards it, and what did he do? He uprooted. With the fruit only, he lifted that, he uprooted the tree. Triumphantly, he carried the tree to Ningdo and Lima. First one, what did he do? First one, pierced the tree. Second one, he jumped over the tree. The third one, uprooted the tree. With the root, he took the tree. Everybody exclaimed. They couldn't believe these children will do like this. People grew restless. Why were the Ningdo and Lema taking so long to make the announcement? Most of the time, what they will think, the people, Miriam thought that Sanatombi is a girl. So, they won't select Sanatombi. After conducting the contest of those three sons, the people became annoyed, they became angry. They thought, why the king is not selecting the ruler, not announcing. Announce means declare. Announce. Declare. They thought, why the king not declaring what the ruler? So now is the turn of Sanatombi. By seeing the tree, what happened? Sanatombi felt very sad. She couldn't express the feeling. She ran towards the Kongnang and looked there. So many birds were there, and all the birds were lying down. Their nest were lying down. So she became very sad. Kongnang is dead. It was first hurt by the spear. Now it is dead, she told. So by looking this, that Ningdo decided she is the Tungi Ningdo. If anybody is worth becoming the ruler, Sanatombi deserves it. Why? She feels the pain of the people, animals, birds and trees. So they decided to select Sanatombi as the next ruler. Lama is one who doesn't hurt anybody in the kingdom. I declare Sanatombi as the future Lama of Kangleipak. Everybody clapped their hands. They applauded. They couldn't express their feeling. They became very happy. Why? Their cute one. Now she is a grown up one. They selected Sanatombi as the future king. Tungi Ningdo. Why? Because we have already told you a ruler must be what? They wanted to know the pain of others. They had to feel the pain of others. Here, who has the pain? Sanatombi felt the pain. So, the king decided to make Sanatombi as the future king. Understood all of you? What have you understood from here, my dear? Yeah, true leader is someone who has the power and strength, but one who has wisdom also. Not only the power, they have wisdom also. Then only there will be powerful ruler. A ruler means not only power and strength, they should be very kind to others also. Okay dear, I think everybody understood the lesson. Shall I remember all this? Shall I summarize this? Yeah, once more. In Manipuri, king is called Ningto, and there is a king, a queen, and their 4 children. Very happily they lived. And one day, king decided to select the next ruler. So he conducted a contest. In that contest, the elder son pierced the tree and jumped. The second one jumped over the tree. The third one uprooted the tree. But the fourth one felt the pain of others. So everybody decided to select the girl as the Tungi Ningdo. Yeah, I think everybody understood it. Shall we do the homework? The first one is, why was Sanatombi sad? Why was Sanatombi sad? Second one, why did the king select Sanatombi as the future king? Look here. Why was Sanatombi sad? Why did the king select Sanatombi as the future king? These are the 2 questions for your homework. I think everybody understood this, and you should read the story. 2 or 3 times you should read this, and everybody very clearly understood this. Thank you for everybody. And everybody from your home also read some extra stories. Ask your parents also to bring small story books to you. Okay? Yeah, very good. Thank you.